concept. SAP add-ons and plugins update using spam and the saint tools here. So we're using this one spam and saint. We have to update the SAP component. So OS level libraries we have updated. Patches related bug fixes through SAP note we have updated. Operating system we can update it. We means our operating system team. So then how to update the SAP systems as well. How to update the SAP systems also. SAP systems update means update of the this components update. Updating these components to the higher level. How to do that one? Right. So we have to update these components also highest latest levels. These are the old levels, right? 000 levels means old versions here, which means which contains the so old new versions, it contains the bug fixes of the latest old version and also new functionalities, new enhancements will come as part of the so new patches here. So that's why if you want a new functionalities, always our SAP software should be up to date. OS level kernel should be up to date. If these two are up to date, normally our SAP system will run very smoothly. We won't face any issues. So that is the reason always we have to ensure yearly once our SAP system, 6 months once our kernels, we have to up to date here, right? So then here, suppose like normally previously we used to do this upgrade using the spam and saint, we have to update it here. So using the spam, we can update our plugins, add-ons and plugins patches, we can update it here. These patches, we can update it, install the patches. Using the saint transaction code, we can install the additional components, additional components. These are the components, additional components in our systems, additional components here. But nowadays, everybody will use the sum tool to do instead of doing the both parallel activities one by one. If we use the some tool will perform the kernel upgrade, some tool will perform the add-on, some tool will perform the plugins, some tool will perform the all the things here. So this is the some upgrade, how to perform it here. But add-ons and plugins upgrade, so which means our existing components are new add-ons. We can add-ons means the additional functionalities. Currently, we have in SAP system, these are the core functionalities are there. SAP Basis, SAP ABA, GW, UI. Suppose this is the add-ons. This is also core components. So add-on means additional functionalities, plugins, additional functionalities are additional functionalities in your SAP system here. Suppose when you build the operating system, only operating system will come. If you need the sound from that operating system to listen the music, you need to install the additionally sound drivers, you have to install it. Here, the drivers are called the additional plugins or additional add-ons. Additional plugins are additional add-ons for the sound drivers here. Okay, so that is the one thing here. So here, what we can do here, let's do the so what we can do, let's check the which add-on or which plugin we can install or we can update it here, right? That is the one of the thing here. Let's go to the systems here. So first of all, to update this one, we need to log into the 000 client. Any one of the user in the 000 client is important here. Why? Because once you update in the 000 client, it is applicable for the all the client. 000 is a master client. So go to the spam. Go to the spam is the transaction code to check this one here. I think someone already loaded something here. STPI plugin they have loaded, but it got they have interrupted in middle itself only here. So let me check what went wrong here. View not empty. View not empty. What view not empty here? Let's go to here. Reset the view. Spam. Okay. So here you need to load the patches from either front end or application server. Front end means your local desktop or laptop, you will download the patch. You will keep into the one download folder. Application server means you need to go to the USR SAP, USR SAP trans EPS. From there, you need to extract the file, whatever the file means .sar file. We have to load it. Then after that, so once you load the patches, it will come like this here, right? So what we are doing here, STPI plugin, we are updating to STPI plugin, we are updating to 02 patch level here. This is the plugin. So 740.0.0.1, we are updating to the 02 here, right? So then what we can do here, so once you load the patches, just click on the import queue here. Just first, there are the four steps here, four major steps here. So here in preparation steps, import one, import two, cleanup. So these four steps contain some other manuals, means some other sub steps here. So always preparation activities in the dialog mode, remaining activities in the, so in the background mode, we have to run it here. So let's see here, queue is not empty. TP system cannot connect it, buffer still contains the OCS request cannot. So there is a TP cannot be deleted old or unprocessed support packages. There are some unwanted files in the trans directory. This is the trans directory, PPS in folder. So there are a lot of files are there. Remove those all the files. Okay. So here main thing is TP means STMS. Check the STMS is exist. Yes. Okay. STMS is fine. Go to the spam, execute and see. Import was stopped since there is an error during the phases of check requirement. Supports are unable to resolve the without your input. Okay. After you have corrected the cause of the error, import. Queue is not empty. TP cannot connect it. Maybe some unwantedly, maybe our guys maybe loaded the patches. Just reset the queue. Retest status. Status of the queue. Queue was reset. Something error here. Let's fix the issue first. Then there are a lot of things in the queue here. You can see buffer, ECD, transport, imported buffers. So these all are come from the old. So old thing here. So now queue is empty. Import queue is empty now. Okay, that is fine. Now go to the spam transaction code. Go to check requirement. Then import one start in the background. Okay. File open error. Okay, this patch is not exist first of all. But because we have imported, just reset the queue. Done. Go to the support pack. Load the packages from the front end. So see where you have downloaded the patches. Somewhere here in the C drive. So plugins. So STPI. Yes, you have the all remaining also there. You can perform it. So two patch level I am importing into the system from workstation. So that's you are doing. You are importing. So normally this is the procedure. You have to import the patch from so either front end. Front end means your workstation. It will take some time. But if you do it directly, then directly you can keep the file into the USR SAP trans EPS. Just extract it. It will go to the EPS in folder in the trans directory. Then you can load from the application server. Go to the support pack, we can load from the application server, we can load it. That's what also we can perform it here. That's what we can perform it here. Okay. So that is the thing here. Okay. So let's do this one. So we are updating the SAP. So OS kernel you have updated, but same as like SAP also you have to update it, right? These all are comes under the maintenance activities, not the regular activities, maintenance activities. So maintenance means yearly once or 2 years once we have to perform these activities here. That's why people mainly will ask why, because these are some dangerous activities here. If we don't perform properly, our system will be crashed. So means we have to recover the data, we have to restore the system to the backup, previous backups and all those things here sometimes. So that's why we have to carefully do activities and we have to fix the issue. See how we fix the issue. So they are the open items in the buffer already. So that's why queue is not empty, it is failing. But now see, so we are now we cleared everything, the queues and everything we have cleared it. So then so we are importing, we are doing this one here, we are importing here. So let's see how much time it is taking. Otherwise what we can do, we can go to the C drive, plugins, copy the file. Yes sir, SAP. So when you load from the workstation front end from the application server level, it will take some time because because of so from here to SAP application server level you have to load it. So what I will do here, let me cancel this transaction. It's taking some time. So then we have loaded all the file here. Now what I will do, I will extract it here. I will extract it here. Go to the sys exe uc npm. There is a SAP car command. Copy. Why? Because I'm in the different user here. So I need to extract here. So I need to first of all go to extract this one. I need to go to their operating system level. So this is the our NW1 and ECD OS level. So here in the trans directory EP, in the trans directory here EPS level. So we have copied the files here. So I'm going to extract it here, right? Command is common, SAP car -xvf, then k star dot sar, right? You have extracted the files. So then once you extract the files here, it is very simple then now. So why? Because just to go to the spam transaction code, spam transaction code here, just packages, load packages from application server. Front end means your local laptop or desktop application server line. It will pick up the files from the C trans EPS indirectly. So that's why we loaded. So that's what we loaded here. So we loaded that file here, right? PSR SAP trans KP online one. So from there we have loaded the all the patches here, right? EPS indirectly. It will go to the one more EPS indirectly created. So these files, only one APS indirectly. So here, so go to the support pack, load packages from the application server level. So the files are imported. The two files are loaded successfully. So either you can load from the front end, it will take time, but in the application server level also we can load it. Once done, go to the display define queue here, select the patch, which patch you are trying to import it. Then click on the import queue, right? Import queue. Then import one you can schedule in the background mode. Import preparation activities you can do it in the dialog mode here. Click on the OK button. So then so it will take it next step here. It will take to the next step here. That's what will happen. Here total, I think 26 or 27 steps are there in the entire preparation phases here. So those steps are divided into the four main modules here. One is the preparation, import one, import two, and cleanup activities here. Right? So those things are there. So here so see here steps are changing one by one here, steps are changing here. See, there is a one blog here. If you go to the here, spam, list of spam and sent pages here. Here you see, so prologue check requirement. So currently we are in test import, test import here. Test import. Yes, we are in the page number 6. We are in the page number 6 here. So then these are the preparation module. Then we have the import one module, import two module, import three. Total 27 steps are there here. In the 27 steps, here there is a 19th step, import underscore proper is the important. Up to 18th step, anytime we can stop the transaction code, we can reset the entire sum procedure and everything here. But when the 19th step is crossed, import underscore proper, we cannot reset it. We cannot reset the sum spam. So that is the one thing here. You need to important thing is 19th step import underscore is proper is phase is crossed. Then we cannot do the any other. So means we cannot stop the spam upgrade, some upgrade, plugins upgrade. We cannot stop it here. That is the main thing here. Okay. So this is what we have to do it in the system here. So this will take time and it will complete it here. So what we are doing now in SAP system, one of the component we are upgrading using spam and saint transaction code. Spam is for updating the existing transaction, existing components. Saint is like a saint is like so addition of the new components, addition of the new components here, addition of the new components and everything here, right? So let me go to the another system here. We'll go to the another system like NW1. There we can simultaneously we can run the saint also here, right? Saint transaction code 000, not from the so other client here. Only we have to do this type of activities from the 000 client here. Okay, go to the Saint. It's locked by spam. See, this is also same. Two is empty. No result is possible. Okay. So what we have to do now in the, it's already locked, right? NW1, SM12. Let's see, are there any locks? Nothing. Spam. Check requirement. Why the status is showing check requirement? Status. Two is empty. But what is this patches here? Load the patches from application server level. Okay, this is also we loaded. Go to the here. Okay, display the queue for spam and failed update. This is the spam and failed update. So it is not required. Display different queue. Okay, select it. Display different queue. Select it. So something is happening here. So it's import. This is also one of the plugin, spam plugin we are updating here. So example, cannot open the EPS patch. So this package is not there. That's why it's saying that this is not exist. Someone badly impacted the spam and sent transactions. So here you can see beginning of the import. Import one is completed. So you have to import, preparation activities are started. Import one is started. Import two is started. Import underscore proper. It's one of the dangerous step. Import underscore proper step here. So it's running in the background mode. Import underscore proper. So 19th step, we reach it to the 19th step here. So here what it is doing, it is doing the imports. It is doing the imports of the systems and everything here. Import underscore proper here. So there are the total 26 or 27 pages here, which means you no need to remember all the pages here. Just only one step, you can remember some of the steps. Import underscore proper. One that is the 19th step. Once that 19th step is crossed, we cannot stop the some of the spam and the plugins upgrades and everything here. That is what we have to check it out here. Import underscore proper step. Okay, so that is the one thing. So this is the way we need to update the spam and saint update. We have to perform it in our systems. So that is the one. So plugin, this is a spam. Saint also same, similar. So we have to download the patch. We have to load either application server level or front end. Then go to the display define queue. We have to define the queue. Then click on the import signal, import queue that will be imported. That will be import. That will start imported here. This is activities we have to do. Sir, is it same method? Are we following now? Actually, no. Latestly, trendly, we are using the some tool we are using to update these things and everything. Some tool, yes, tool we are using some tool. So using this tool, we are updating all the things and everything here. Okay, it is what we are doing. Some tool. XPRA execution. XPRA execution. Import XPRA execution. Yeah, 23rd. So almost it's coming to end. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 steps are there. Then we can complete the spam plugin upgrade. Yes, done. Confirm the queue. So in the when the confirm the queue, just go to the support pack, right? Just to confirm it here. So then that is completed here, right? Queue is green now. Go to the system and status. You see the status of the patch now here, right? See here STPI previously we had a 001 that you upgraded to the 002. 001 to 002 you have upgraded here, right? So either any one of the components we have to update it, but some components are the dependency of the some other core components. So that's why some plugins and add-ons you can upgrade using the spam and saint tool here. Spam is the transaction code, you can update it. So similarly, so there are some patches here. You see here. So yeah, there similarly you can update it. We have the plugins here. So you have the two I updated, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 are there. You can update it, right? You can also update these things to the your system. You can update it. So let me upgrade Saint also here. Saint transaction code here. Saint. Right? Go to the Saint. Saint is like a edition of the new patches here. Edition of the new patches here. Editions. Editions means adding the new patches here. In that case, same. Saint, go to here. So either application server level or front end. Application server level or front end. So this is a STPI. This is a STAPI. Is the one of the new component which is not exist now. We are going to add that new component. So one of the Solman tools like STAPI is the one of the component which is not exist in our SAP systems here. We have to manually install it and everything here. Oh my God, this will create again same problem. What I will do, copy. Okay. What I will do, copy here. Go to USR SAP trans. I will manually load it here. ECD, not ECD, trans. Here you can keep it here. The thing is, you can load it from the application server level, but due to some, it will take some time actually. So small patches we can load it, but this will take very longer time. So that's why better to move to the under ESR SAP trans. Then you can extract it from there. You can extract it from there here. You can extract it. See, copying also will take some time. So, only copying, downloading the patches are very important. Downloads also, it's very simple. You can go to the marketplace. Same way how you downloaded the these patches. Same way you can go to the marketplace here. Software downloads, the patches, right? So you can go to here. Okay, so these are the STPI API. S means STPI, yes, right? You go to the S for STPI. This is the software downloading, how to do that one. Go to the ST, and here we have the see STAPI, STSCC, STPI. There are softwares are there. So download the latest one, which is there. So just STPI latest one. So like download any one of the file, you can move it to the application server level. You can move it here, right? So that is what we can do it in the systems here. So you move this file, right? Just extract. Once you move to the application server level, So SAP car -XVF, then K, is it K? Yes, K. Capital K star dot SAR, right? So you have extracted this file. That is done. So then once you extract it here, log into the SAP system here, right? Saint transaction code. Saint is for addition of the new components here. Addition of the new components here, Saint. So go to the installation package, load packages from the application server level. So which means it will read the files from the EPS indirectly. You manually extracted already, right? You manually extracted already here. So then what you can do, you can directly go to the next step here. So ST API, you are going to installation. So normally, if you want to do the installation, you have to do with the sum tool, SWPM tool. You need to do the installation, exports, and everything. But this is the one only addition of the new components. Addition of the new component here. Additions of the new component here. Which in this case, what we can do? Just Saint is the one. Existing components will stay same like this. STAPI. This is the one of the add-on, right? So here in the existing components, we don't have any ST API, only STPA is there, and ST API is not there here. Sure. So that is the reason it's coming like a we are doing to installation. It's going to installation of the package here, right? Just click on the OK, continue. Then we can just go with the installation of the package and everything. Same. Can continue, continue, continue. Then no modification adjustments. Click on the continue. Then see this is also same 4 phases here. Preparation, import one, import two, import one, import two. We have to run it in the background. Why? Because these are the long running phases. Preparation steps we can run it in the dialog mode. So that this will continue the plugins update. Means addition of the new components in our SAP systems here. Previously, already component is installed. You have updating to the latest levels here. This is for addition, installation of the new component, new add-on in your SAP systems here. SAP systems here we have to do it. Spam and send both we have to load it and we have to define the queue. Just proceed with the next steps. That's it. But this is the secondary. No one asks. Okay, so only people like, did you know about the spam and send? Yes. How you update spam and send transaction codes in 000 client? Maybe one patch, two components update, one component update spam and send. We can perform it. Bulk of components. You have the hundreds of components. More components are there in this case. You have to use the sum tool, software upgrade manager tool. That is the one of the tool which we have to perform it, right? That is the one tool we have to perform from systems here. That is what we are going to do now. So spam and set, very simple. So I am doing one component means you have others as well here. You see, you have the other components also in place here, plugins and add-ons here. So this all you have to do it. So what I will do, I will extract all these components. I will move to the application server level. Okay, application server level. I will move it. Branch directory. I will extract it. I will keep it ready in the queue. So one by one, you guys can do that one. Okay. So I will move it here. Make sure you need to perform the carefully one. So otherwise system will go crash. System crash means again we need to do the restore or so again we need to revert back to the previous status and everything. We have to do it here, right? That is what we have to do it. So carefully plan these activities. Okay, just import. Test imports. So here test imports, but our main concern is here. These all steps, any step we can revert it. The main step is here, the 19th step here, import underscore proper. So in this phase, we cannot revert it once again. Okay, so we cannot revert the so patches everything here. Yes, so from up to this phase, if any issues occurs, we can reset the queue, we can stop the process and everything. But once this phase is crossed here, we cannot reset it, we cannot move further until you fix the issue. You need to fix the issue. When you click the next button, it will go to the next steps and everything here. That is the main thing here, right? So it's test import, it's import is doing. So add-ons and plugins update. So spam and saint. Spam is for the updating the existing add-ons to highest level or some certain level here. Saint is for the addition of the means installation of the new components to existing system. So existing system already there. Suppose you missed one component or you need to add some plugins here. Then in this case, you need to add some component here. Then in this case, you can use the Saint instead of doing from going for scratch for installation. You can go with the Saint transaction code and etc. Okay. Test import. Test import means this is the one. Sixth. So here you see test import, run code 4. Only these procedures will take time actually. Our work is very simple. Just copy, download the patches, copy into the application server level, extract it, and load the packages. Just hand out to the saint some spam or saint. Then these tools will take it, but it will take it one by one, one by one. It will process it here. That is the main thing here. Yes, you can see here. So import one, right? Before start of the import one. So it's done. So now, so preparation activities we started in the dialog mode, right? That's why it's shown the status. Now it's starting in the import mode. There is a one job will be executed. That is called the OCS queue job here. There is a one job. So OCS underscore uh, import. So there is a one job here. Yes, see OCS queue import. So this job will do the backend, it will import it here, OCS queue job here, right? So that is the one. So Saint transaction code. So import underscore proper. Okay. So just click on the refresh and everything. So it will move the steps and everything here. Okay. Spam and Saint transaction codes here. XPRA execution. XPRA. XPRA. Yeah. Oh, we are near almost. But after this component installed, then we have to update it, this component also, right? So that is the reason. So we can update it. Again, spam, we have to go with this one. This is only for installation purpose only. At the same, only installation we can perform, means addition of the new components to the existing system, Saint transaction code, we have to use it. So please remember, addition of the new components or new plugins using the Saint transaction code, we can do that one. PAM is like a updating the existing components to the new system that we can perform it here, right? So that is the one here. So here, yes, finish, it's done. Don't say. Okay, now you can validate the new go to system status and see what is the new component which you have done it here. STPI. So API. Yes, this is the one, right? So this is the API component you have installed it here. Component means some additional functionalities in your SAP systems here, right? So this is the oil related components, HR related components means HR related functionalities. So each component, there are new set of functionalities in your SAP systems here. Okay, that is what we have here. So this is the way we need to update or add additional patches and everything in our systems. Spam and say adding the addition of the new component in our SAP systems. So same way, other components also we can perform it. Okay. So this is the spam and say transactions. So same as like you can also update the existing one. So what I will do once it is copy, I will extract it. So then after that, what you can do, you can directly go to the SAP systems here, then go to the spam or saint, whatever patches you want to go. So here we take the example STPI here, then saint is the STAPI. Then load it all the patches from front end or application server level. Go to the display defined queue, then select the STPI, that patch will come. Then click on the import button, that patch will be imported. Same as like previous, you can do that. Okay, got it? So this is taking some time. Once done, I will extract it and let you know you guys can import it. That is for the spam and save.